I want to know what makes this brand the premium brand compared to the many others. It seems like anyone that's a naturopath or that has a vitamin line has a carbon 60, okay?
Yeah.
What makes your carbon the premier one beyond all the others? And, you see the color that I'm wearing basically.
Yes. Whenever you're talking about putting something in your body, it's important to do research behind the scenes. And this is all supplements. And I think actually one of the worst places you can possibly get supplements and certainly supplement advice is Amazon. You got to be very careful about Amazon because a 5-star rating on Amazon, what does it mean? Like if somebody gives a 5-star rating about vitamin C, like they didn't weigh it, they didn't test it to make sure it was ascorbic acid. They probably didn't even count the tablets in it. So be careful of that first. Next, you want to understand the pedigree of the company behind it. We've been manufacturing this molecule, this ESS60 molecule, and that's another big difference. The ESS60 molecule since 1991. We've been selling it to research institutions around the world since 1991. A lot of companies came in after that amazing result in that rat longevity study. Well, it was a toxicity study that turned out to be a longevity study where those rats lived 90% longer than the control group. A lot of companies came out and said, well, I can go buy C60, which is usually for industrial purposes, and I can mix it in different oils, the same kind of time frame that they did in that study, and I can put it on the market. Now, if you know what you're doing and you're testing the C60 properly and you're mixing it properly, that could work fine. What we ultimately found when we looked at the like 22 of the brands that are out on the market, we found them to be woefully low in concentration, in C60 concentration. And we also had some concerns about, again, C60 for industrial applications. Is this really something that you want to mix in oil and then ask consumers to consume? And for us, the answer was no. Really, C60 is for industrial applications, and there's peer-reviewed published research that proves if you improperly process it, it's harmful. ESS60 is C60 that's been processed for safer human consumption. So by looking for the ESS60, you're going to find a brand that you can trust that has high concentrations because it's coming from our lab, a lab that's been manufacturing this molecule since 1991. I do want to
Yeah.
add the FDA has not evaluated the product. It is not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, or prevent any disease.